Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 341st episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. I'm very excited about this video. I am participating in the Valentine's Day collaboration with 11 other YouTubers, starting with Dolores from the Baking Diva, Celine from the Recipe Therapist, Catherine from Catherine's Plate, Elliot from Baking with Elliot, Mitch and Phil from Kitchen Queers, Barb from Take Control Beauty, Sarah from Sarah's Bites, Jeanette from Jeanette Pickering, Pam from Pam Ever 50 So Beauty and Lifestyle, Mason from The Sweet Spot, and Alyssa from 5 Foot Test Kitchen. I have no idea what kind of desserts everybody's making, but they're going to be amazing. And I'll post a link to everybody's channel and Valentine's Day dessert recipe down below in the description box. For our collaboration, I'm going to make strawberry brownies. And my friends, this recipe is thebomb.com. It's going to be so yummy, simple and easy to make, full of strawberry flavor, and we're going to top it with a strawberry buttercream frosting. How delicious does that sound? These would be great to serve for your Valentine's Day party and a great gift to give to your sweetheart, or you can serve these any time of the year. Everybody's going to enjoy these brownies. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Valentine's Day recipes playlist for more delicious treats, from red velvet cake to red velvet donuts to chocolate covered strawberry. So grab your butter, your flour, and your strawberry nesquik powdered sugar, because we're about to bake some strawberry brownies magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl, I have 1 stick, which is a half a cup of melted unsalted butter. And into our butter, we're going to add in 2 eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of pure strawberry extract. Going to stir all these ingredients together until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, now I switch to the hand mixer. We're going to add in 1/3 cup of strawberry nesquik powder and 1/2 cup of self-rising flour. And we're going to mix the dry ingredients in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, our brownie batter is complete. And off camera I added a few drops of red food coloring to give the brownies a little bit more pinker. Look how nice and smooth that is. That beautiful pink color. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to pour the batter into the pan. We're going to pour it in an 8 to 9 inch square pan. And I'm going to put some parchment paper on it, or you can use aluminum foil. for easy cleanup. Alrighty, my friends, now we're ready to put our strawberry brownies in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Strawberry goodness. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I have taken my brownies out of the oven. It smells amazing up in this kitchen. So then I let them cool completely, and then I flip them over the other side. Now we're ready to ice them. I have my strawberry buttercream icing, which is 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter softened, 3 tablespoons of the strawberry nesquik powder, a teaspoon each of vanilla and strawberry extract, and 1 cup of powdered sugar, and a tablespoon of honey. And I mix everything together until it's well incorporated. Just frost them all over. This looks so good. Alright, my friends, I'm through icing the brownies. So now I'm going to add some heart-shaped sprinkles on top. After all, it's Valentine's Day. Alright, so now I'm going to cut them up and put them on my platter, and then I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Strawberry brownies with a strawberry buttercream frosting. Don't they look delicious and pretty with the heart-shaped sprinkles on top? Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Hello, sweetheart. Look at that texture. Chewy. I'm in strawberry heaven. Melts in your mouth. These are to die for. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum. Oh, I love strawberry. Strawberry brownie-licious. Wow, what an amazing Valentine's Day dessert collaboration. I want to thank my friend Dolores over at the Baking Diva for inviting me. It was a blast. And again, I'll post a link to everybody's channel and Valentine's Day dessert recipe down below in the description box. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Valentine's Day.